The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Hubbard County until 3:15 p.m. At 2:50 p.m., a confirmed tornado was located over Laporte, or 9 miles northwest of Walker, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: weather spotters confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Laporte and Benedict. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.